Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through a quick and easy to follow step on how to download Going Balls game for your Android device. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end. First, open your Play Store and also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once you open up your Play Store, go to the search box and type in Going Balls and search. Look for this application from Supersonic Studios Limited and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Soon after you do that, your download should begin. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android device, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed, so always make sure to have a stable internet connection for downloading an application. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can tap on the play button to start playing the game on your Android device. That is how you can easily download Going Balls for your Android phone with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.